Sorry. I can't talk right now because I just went to the beach, but we're going to be throwing this paper airplane off the balcony.
Wait, you're gonna do what? Is that why you're out here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So tell us like where are we at and how high are we up?
We're about 29 stories high.
29 stories high?
Well, don't know actually.
What's the wind speed? Like
Slow.
it's slow wind speed?
Yeah.
Okay, in which direction are you gonna go?
Well, the wind's going that way.
Okay, so we're gonna go over here,
If I do, it's probably gonna.
land on the rooftop.
Yeah, and I don't want that to happen.
Well, that's safe. Maybe it'll curve.
Probably.
Alright. Ready? Go. Oh no, it's spiraling.
It's landing in the garden.
It
Hey, at
landed.
least we can go in.
There it is.
Hey, at least we can go and get it, right? Right, Dad?
It's right there.
We can go and get it at least, right? That was a fail.